रंजना अरोड़ा आर्टफुल लाइफस्टाइल में आपका वेलकम करती हूँ।
Children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you a beautiful flower in 3 different styles. Children, I'll tell you which material is easily available at your home. A different type of the flowers. It's a very innovative idea. You can make it easily. We need 3 different colors of the paper bags, napkins of any type, like printed also you can take, plain also you can take. Foil paper, you know foil paper, then stapler, scissors, Fevicol and some sticks. And if you need, after that if you need for the stamp, you can use these tape also. Take 2 pieces of napkin and fold it in a square form. Now cut the square paper in a circle form. Make some now staple the circle from center. Make a half cut up to center and fold it. Like make half inch of the edge of the circle and cut till the marking like this. And now insert the stick inside. And now make a fold cone by folding it, and then make reverse fold from here and staple it together from here. Now make a circle of 3 different color, 1, 2, 3, like this. And now fold it in a form of cone, like this again, and mark from the corner, mark from the corner, and mark from the corner. Now cut it in a triangle pieces like this. Now have a little cut in the center. Now in the center insert the stick and fold it in like this. And insert it and wrap it, and now your flower is ready. And staple it from the bottom side, and your one color of flower is ready. Now you can add the white color also, any color, 3 colors you can add, and it looks like a 3 color flower like this, 1, 2 and 3 colors. Fold the foil paper in 3 folds. And cut it from here and cut it from here. Cut in the square form and a leaf shape. Now 3 sets are here, and you have to cut one from one set, 2 from the other, and now it becomes 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Then from 1 you can wrap it like this also. Fold it little one, every leaves, and this one you make a bud of that and make a wrap on a stick. Take the second one, which is already it has been folded from the here. Now these two offset wrap around the bud like this, and then also take the two of the set and wrap around it like this. And then take third of the stick and have around from here to here, and then have a cut from here and wrap it around the fourth one. And in the end just have a stapler and also take the and just fold with the help of pencil or pen and make a beautiful rose. Now you can decorate the flowers and the stick as you can like. Also you can make bouquets out of these flowers in a large quantity.